According to blockchain analytics firm Acom Intelligence, U.S. authorities may have seized an additional $2.4 billion worth of Bitcoin linked to Chen Chi, a billionaire accused of orchestrating one of the largest online scam operations based in Cambodia. Acom reported that a significant amount of Bitcoin was recently moved from wallets connected to Lubian Mining, a major Bitcoin mining company. The firm suspects these movements were part of an undisclosed U.S. government seizure.
Adding to the 127,000 Bitcoins previously confiscated, the seized coins, currently stored in unlisted addresses,
may represent assets not yet publicly disclosed by law enforcement. Acom Intelligence, known for its deep blockchain forensics and high-profile whale tracking, was also the first to detect anomalies related to the Lubian hack, a major event in the crypto mining space. With this new seizure, the U.S. now controls a Bitcoin reserve worth approximately $36 billion. It's making it the seventh largest Bitcoin holder in the world. Meanwhile, Chen Chi's identified wallets still contain nearly 16,000 BTC, valued at about $1.7 billion, meaning the fugitive tycoon still holds vast digital assets beyond government reach. Back in August, Acom revealed a hack involving 127,426 BTC, worth $3.5 billion at the time. It's believed to have occurred in December 2020 against Lubian Mining, a company that once held nearly 6% of global Bitcoin hash power through operations in China and Iran. Both Lubian and the hackers remained silent about the incident until blockchain analysis uncovered the theft. The U.S. Department of Justice Deutsch later confirmed in an October 14 indictment that the stolen Bitcoin belonged to Lubian and was controlled by Chen Chi through his conglomerate Prince Group. The DOJ accused Prince Group of operating a massive money laundering network disguised as legitimate businesses, including crypto mining, to clean profits from large-scale online investment scams. The indictment lists 25 Bitcoin addresses tied to the stolen funds and confirms that 127,270 BTC valued at over $15 billion are now under DOJ custody, marking the largest digital asset seizure in U.S. history. Born in 1987 in Fujian, China, Chen Chi relocated to Cambodia around 2010 and obtained citizenship in 2014. Starting from an internet cafe business, he built Prince Group, expanding into finance, real estate, telecommunications, and hospitality, becoming one of Cambodia's most influential tycoons. But behind the luxury facade were allegations of forced labor, human trafficking, and global cyber fraud operations run from sprawling compounds across Southeast Asia. According to the U.S. Treasury, its latest sanctions targeting 146 entities and individuals tied to Prince Group represent the largest coordinated financial action ever taken in Southeast Asia. The sanctions freeze Chen Chi's assets, including $176 million in property and financial holdings in the UK. Authorities also seized a $100 million London office building and a $12 million mansion. The UK Foreign Commonwealth and Development Office, FCDO, simultaneously imposed sanctions on Prince Holding Group and Chen Chi, cutting their access to the British financial system. London, long a hub for illicit offshore wealth, is now tightening its anti-money laundering regime, and the Chen Chi case marks a turning point. Evidence from court filings and Acom Intelligence suggests Prince Group used a pig butchering scam model, luring global victims into fake crypto investment schemes. Workers trafficked from China, Vietnam, India, and beyond were held in guarded compounds, beaten, and forced to scam victims online. The Prince complex near Phnom Penh was reportedly one of the largest such sites, where hundreds of captives were coerced into cross-border financial crimes. This scandal exposed Cambodia's corruption and weak citizenship laws, which allowed Chen Chi to obtain nationality and political protection with ease. Following the indictments, Prince Bank, a subsidiary of the group, has faced mass withdrawals and public panic since October 17, 2025, as crowds lined up outside branches in Phnom Penh. While the bank insists it remains solvent, the situation risks triggering a wider financial crisis in Cambodia. Beyond the immediate criminal case, the Chen Chi affair highlights how crypto and legitimate business fronts have merged into a new hybrid economy of exploitation. In Southeast Asia, where tech, corruption, and human trafficking intersect, Internationally, the case has triggered investigations in China, Thailand, and Singapore, all of which are now tracing Chen's assets and probing financial misconduct. According to Al Jazeera, these criminal scam compounds have become a multi-billion-dollar underground industry. Fueled by trafficked labor and crypto fraud, if convicted, Chen Zi faces up to 40 years in prison. But his current whereabouts remain unknown, a fitting symbol of a darker truth. That behind Southeast Asia's glittering towers and digital booms lies a hidden empire built on deception, exploitation, and greed. The fall of Chen Zi and Prince Group is more than a single criminal case. It is a wake-up call, a warning about how unchecked capital and crypto anonymity can turn economic growth into a web of global crime.